Hi everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools, where we help you troubleshoot and fix your car problems. Today, we're tackling the P2240 trouble code. If you've seen this code pop up, it points to an issue with your oxygen sensor's reference voltage. Stick around, and we'll walk you through what it means, its symptoms, and how to fix it. Code P2240 is an indication that the ECM is getting a signal from the air-fuel ratio sensor that it may be shorted or open. The ECM cannot control the fuel properly until the signal is fixed. You may have poor fuel mileage and various poor drive symptoms. Check engine light is on, decreased fuel efficiency, rough idling or hesitation during acceleration, increased emissions. OBD-II scanner, multimeter, basic hand tool socket set, wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary, safety gear, gloves, and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD-II scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2240 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2240 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.